But now the question is, should you choose the public Studienkolleg or the private Studienkolleg? Every year, thousands of students apply to the public Studienkolleg for writing the Aufnahmeprüfung entrance exam. But if you choose to study English Studienkolleg, then we will be limited to, after studying the private Studienkolleg, are you eligible to study in all the German public universities? One wrong decision can cost you 10,000 euro or even your Germany student visa. Yes. Planning to do your Studienkolleg in Germany, choosing the right Studienkolleg is very important for you. Studienkollegs are having types of private Studienkolleg and public Studienkolleg. Sometimes we have seen the students losing 10,000 euros while choosing the wrong private Studienkollegs. In this video, I will help you out to choose the right Studienkolleg for you, and I will explain you public Studienkolleg versus private Studienkolleg. What is the difference between those? Hi, this is Bhumi, your study abroad counselor from Amritpala Vision, and today I will make you clearly understand about the public Studienkolleg and the private Studienkolleg and which one is right for you, so you can make an informed decision. If you have completed your grade 12, so you usually need a 13th year in Germany, which is called Studienkolleg. If you are new in this channel and you don't know what is Studienkolleg, you can watch my last video where I have explained about the Studienkolleg and understand about the public and private Studienkolleg. In my last video, I have already explained what is Studienkolleg and what is public Studienkolleg, how you can get into. But now the question is, should you choose the public Studienkolleg or the private Studienkolleg? So let me clarify that. Studienkolleg is your 13th year which will allow you to study at German public universities for your bachelor's. Let's start with the public Studienkolleg. The benefit of choosing the public Studienkolleg is that it is almost free. You're not going to pay any tuition fees for the public Studienkolleg. We just need to pay a small semester contribution which is 300 to 500 euros. So that is your semester contribution fees, and you will be studying in the public university, your public Studienkolleg, which is almost free. But here is the reality. Getting into public Studienkolleg is not that easy, what we call. We need to write an entrance exam. Entrance exam is in German, so we need to learn the German till C1 and to do the preparation for the exam. And this exam, which called Aufnahmeprüfung, is definitely very competitive and having a limited spots available for the international students at the public Studienkolleg. Every year, thousands of students apply to the public Studienkolleg for writing the Aufnahmeprüfung entrance exam. But only a small percentage gets selected. So that is all about the public Studienkolleg. That if you are ready for the competition and if you are ready to invest your 1 or 2 extra year to learn the language and to pass the entrance exam, then you should go with the public Studienkolleg. Now, let's talk about the private Studienkolleg. Private Studienkollegs are paid. It is offered by a German public universities only. It's not like that private Studienkollegs are offered by private universities. Private Studienkollegs are there which is offered by German public universities. Private Studienkollegs charge you the tuition fees because it's easier to get the admission in. Private Studienkollegs are taught in English also and German also. If you choose to study English Studienkolleg, then we will be limited to some universities and some of the programs which is affiliated to that private Studienkollegs. And there are German taught private Studienkolleg which requires generally B1 or B2, and you can get your admission done and you can start your private Studienkolleg at German public university without any Aufnahmeprüfung or without any competition. But the question is, after studying the private Studienkolleg, are you eligible to study in all the German public universities? Okay. Because some of the students might want to study at TUM, TU9 universities, but they do not want to go through the Aufnahme preparation and the competition, and they might not want to invest the 1 or 2 year extra to do the language and other things to do the preparation for Aufnahmeprüfung and writing the Aufnahmeprüfung, traveling to different cities. You can be a student who don't want to get into this. So, private Studienkollegs are offered in German taught, which can help you to study at all the German public universities. There are very few private Studienkolleg which are state run and state recognized. With their FSP, you are eligible to study at all the German public universities. And if you want to know which are those private Studienkollegs where you can study into top universities as well after completing the FSP of that Studienkolleg, you are invited to book your counseling call with me. I will help you out to know about the program name, about the university name, and about the right Studienkolleg which you can choose for you. Now, private Studienkolleg generally charge fees which is starting from 6,000 euro to 11,000 euro. So it can be between 6 to 11,000 euro which you need to pay for a foundation year, which will be for your 8 months. Private studying colleagues are only available in T and W or TI. If you want to do your M course, you are not having any option for the private studying colleagues. For M course students, they need to follow the public studying colleague pathway only. Even for G course and S course, students need to do the public studying colleague pathway. Only students who want to do T course or W course, they do have some best private studying colleague available in Germany, which offered by the public university. And for that, you can contact me. I will help you out to know about the university name and about the studying colleague name. Private studying colleague generally require, as I said, B1, B2. Some studying colleague also accept you with your A2 Goethe certificate. In private studying colleague, they do have 2 intakes, summer intakes and winter intake. Summer intake starts in April or May and winter intake starts in October or November. Same as like public universities and public studying colleague. Now, let me tell you one reality about the private studying colleague as well. Not all the private studying colleagues are good. I have seen students and parents losing 8,000 to 10,000 euros by investing into those private studying colleagues which are not even state recognized. So, private studying colleagues, you always need to verify whether the studying colleague is state recognized and FSP is state recognized or not. Not all the private studying colleagues can lead you to German public universities. Because of that, I have personally seen students who get visa rejections as well because they have chosen the wrong private studying colleague. I have one request, please don't choose the private studying colleague on basis of the prices or shortcuts. Always verify whether the studying colleague is state recognized or not. Now the question is, what should you choose? Consider private studying colleagues if you do not want to invest your 1 or 2 years to learn the language and do the Aufnahme preparation, or you want the faster pathway to get into the German public universities. But always verify the studying colleague recognition. In simple way, public studying colleagues are free but difficult to get in, and private studying colleagues are paid but easier to get in. Both are good only if you choose the right one and the recognized one for you. And if you are confused about which option is right for you, or if you want to understand the both pathway in detail as per your course requirement, as per your program which you want to study in Germany, don't make the decision blindly. You can book your free consultation with me. In the first consultation, I will definitely assist you with the right student colleague in the right university for your bachelor's program. And we will also talk about how I can assist you with your study in Germany journey. And if you found this helpful, comment Germany. I will be definitely happy to assist you with some more videos in future. See you in the next video.